fam, we're back out here day 2 to test the mic again. Hold up, gotta turn these on. Alright, so hopefully we synced up. Mic should be on this time. Microphone wasn't on yesterday. Still out here testing the mic. So this is pack number 2. We've already done a couple of lines in there. I completely forgot to even talk at the start of that first pack, so I'll try to remember to talk now.
I'm a baller, I'm a 20-inch crawler, blaze on the collar, diamond block waller, option hauler, never needing out a baller, but you going off, I'm a 20-inch crawler, bust a jump, alright, I'm out of sight, I'm low, I'm bounced off the road, I'm in a motor with the motor, chain and tune, hop by my big body form, chain with the tongue, can't forgive me what I'm on, I'm hot, I'm looking good, I'm a different wood, it's understood, got money for good, I put the big body, can't stop it. Put a 9-8, got a 7 bitch poppin'. I'ma grow slow, fucking on the opposite mode, get the stove. I'ma go real slow, fucking with the opposite. I'ma let the grass green, man, I'm looking clean. One more control, be green and night, but clean.
Caller, shot caller, 20 legs, only a caller, get it tonight. Switch the road tight, got some baby night. My top 9 stroke, hit my remote, stick it in my keys, press up to the B12 with the AM, and more spit. As I get high, okay, see that shit's got to know it's outside. Now we worldwide, watch me hot side. Back, blowing to the can't be denied. My niggas 7 thugs, oh yeah, we got love. Going sticky, green, flow, and that bug. All of it, shot caller, 20 Project, that you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This is what I just wanna. Body ain't got. Shorty got that body out of hit it once, one time, shut up. You gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my head, don't know my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wise. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my high. Diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cali slide unlocked, man. That was terrible, bro. That's not good drone etiquette, fam. Just fucking slam your drone into the concrete like that. Don't do that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, a whole set of props. Alright, okay, hopefully you can hear us on the mic. If not, I was talking during that whole thing, trust me, believe me. Alright, peace. Gonna test the mic. We've turned it right up. It's a little bit windy, so hopefully you can hear us, fam. Yesterday we wasted like a pack talking and the mic wasn't even on, so